Hi, my name is Warren Headley. I lead the Geomatics group at Rynearson. What is Geomatics?
It's the collection, processing, analysis, and delivery of data referenced to the Earth's surface.
Opens new data collection techniques that didn't previously exist. Data that can be used for designing of new projects, as-built projects, redevelopment projects, and even marketing.
Hand scanning technology allows us to survey existing industrial structures and redevelopment sites safely and in a fraction of the time.
It's a handheld hand scanner, as you can see in the video, and we're using this on a redevelopment site at a local shopping center. Here's the point cloud being generated from the hand scan. And then from that point cloud, we can extract line work and different features to use for the development of the project.
Why use bathymetric over traditional survey methods? Well, it allows us to get areas that you simply can't get to. For example, we recently surveyed Jackson Lake Reservoir in the eastern plains of Colorado, where the depths were about 15 feet. It would be very difficult to survey the bottom of that with traditional conventional methods. It allows us to survey rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and ponds when traditional survey methods just wouldn't be capable of getting it done. Aerial survey methods allow us to cover a lot of ground, and it's super fun to use. By outfitting an aerial drone with a high-quality camera, we can use photogrammetry to get a result similar to scanning.
Rynearson has the technology, the staff, and the experience to help you get your next project off the ground. Give us a call.